Hi South Africa, I am Dr. Elmaz Patel, Advisory Board Head at Handel Street Medical. For today's session, I will provide an explanation of the Handel Street Medical mask and respirator product portfolio. You will learn the specifications and applications for the Handel Street Medical masks and respirators from me in making an informed decision when purchasing medical masks and respirators as a healthcare professional. What is the difference between a mask and a respirator? The simple answer is that a mask prevents the user from spreading any pathogens via their nose and mouth, whereas a respirator protects the user against droplets and airborne pathogens. It is for this reason that an informed decision needs to be taken by healthcare workers depending on what outcomes they want to achieve from a respiratory protection device. There are various options available in the market, especially given the demand created by the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, but not all respiratory protection devices are created equal. With the high demand for these devices created by the pandemic, some manufacturers have unfortunately opted for quantity over quality, leaving many available devices with severe design flaws. These inferior products have consequently endangered the lives of both the healthcare worker and patient alike. This now begs the question to supply chain moguls who tend to make their purchasing decisions based on price rather than scientific evidence: are you willing to risk a person's life for the sake of a few rands? Handel Street Medical have spent the last few years analyzing the needs of healthcare workers and subsequently designed a total respiratory protection basket based on these needs. We have classified our devices according to the areas in which they are used and the level of protection that is needed. There are three such classifications. Class 1 is where the user needs very little protection against airborne pathogens but requires some protection against fluids and large contaminants. A typical area for this application would be an operating room where the healthcare worker is within a sterile environment but may be exposed to splashes from the surgical procedure. In addition, this device must prevent the user from expelling any respiratory droplets within the sterile environment. Class 2 is where an intermediate level of protection is required by the user and the prevention of expectorates are required. This type of mask would typically be used in common medical areas such as the hospital wards and the central services department, but given the transmissibility of these new COVID-19 variants and hospitals being a high-risk environment, workers in administration blocks, hospitality services and cleaning staff now also require this type of protection. Class 3 is where the user needs the ultimate respiratory protection from airborne pathogens and liquid droplets. This is typically for healthcare workers who are in direct contact with infected patients or who work in highly infectious areas such as the COVID-19 wards, ICUs and the mortuary. We have at Handel Street Medical innovated in the design and components of our respiratory protection devices. We have the 1A mask, which is best suited for Class 1 protection. 99% bacterial filtration efficiency, 86% particle filtration efficiency with a full face seal, 35mm hemoglobin blood spatter protection, breathability, fluid resistant and completely replacing the 3-layer mask or commonly known 3-ply mask. Next, we have the 4AN95 respirator mask, which has been designed for Class 2 protection. 99% bacterial filtration efficiency, 95% particle filtration efficiency, 80mm hemoglobin or blood spatter protection with a full face seal, and fluid resistant. In addition, our masks have been designed with comfort in mind, given that the users would typically wear them for approximately 8 hours on one shift. Lastly, we have the HSN95 liquid shield respirator, which offers Class 3 protection. 99% bacterial filtration efficiency, 97% particle filtration efficiency, 120mm hemoglobin blood spatter protection with a full face seal, fluid resistant, paraffin oil and corn oil resistant. Submicron particle filtration efficiency of 97%, known as the NaCl efficiency test, specific to filtration of particulates below 0.3 micrometers. Respiratory protection is critical in the fight against this pandemic and will continue being critical post the pandemic. If your life or that of a loved one is on the line, which type of protection will you want? The cheap and nasty device, or one that has been scientifically tested, made from quality materials and has a patented design and brings innovation to the product portfolio? That seems like a silly question now, doesn't it? Thanks for watching today's presentation from me, Dr. Elmaz Patel. I trust that my session as the head of the advisory board at Handel Street Medical was informative and educational. I wish you a wonderful day and all the best.